Welcome to our hotel, Mrs. Johnson. You're in room 19.
Thank you.
Hello, Tom. Where are you?
I'm in my room. It's number 427.
Good afternoon, Mr. and Mrs. Richards. You're in room 15.
Thank you very much.
Peter, what's our room number?
319.
Oh yes, of course.
Good evening, Mr. Jones. Room 316?
Yes, that's right. Thank you.
O 8695 7322 01279 567 390 07949 274 118 0034 93 286 7746.
What's the number of their hotel?
It's 01622 654 331. And Tina's in London. Her mobile number is 07931 516 087.
What's our new phone number?
Wait a minute. It's 01902 785 664.
Oh, yes. That's right.
Hi Tim, what's your number in Spain?
It's, 0034 96 3922 959.
So that's 0034 96...
3922 959.
Okay, thanks.
A doctor.
A musician.
An engineer.
A shop assistant.
A cleaner.
A police officer.
A waiter.
A waitress.
An accountant.
An actor.
An actress.
A builder.
A teacher.
A manager.
A housewife.
A lawyer.
Unemployed.
Retired. Are you from Sydney?
No, we aren't from Australia. We're from South Africa.
Oh, really? And what do you do?
Well, I'm an engineer and Connie's a lawyer.
Who's he?
His name's John Palmer.
Is he a musician?
Yes, he is. But he isn't famous.
And what do you do?
I'm a doctor.
Oh, really? I'm a teacher.
Are you from Spain?
No, I'm not. I'm from Argentina.
I'm not a teacher.
We aren't from Australia.
He isn't famous.
Are you from Spain?
Yes, I am.
No, I'm not.
Is he a musician?
Yes, he is. No, he isn't.
Are you from Sydney?
Yes, we are.
No, we aren't.